You're tuning into the TechMe Show.
This is Lance Seidman. Today I'm going to show you how to connect to your Windows 8 tablet. In my case, I have a Samsung Series 7 tablet that I've put in the consumer release of Windows 8, and I'm going to show you how to remotely connect to it through the remote desktop connection. Again, you should probably go into the control panel on your Windows 8 and enable that feature, which if we connect remotely properly, I'll go ahead and show you how we do it. So, as we have the remote desktop connection, which you can access from your accessories, from your start panel, or you could just simply type in remote desktop, or remote connection rather, from the start menu. Anyways, now we need to type in the computer. Yes, a lot of times you could do the / and the computer name. In this case, we're actually just going to straight up and type the IP address, which I've already copied, and I will be pasting it by pushing Control V on my keyboard. And as you see, we have my local address. Now, here's the cool thing about connecting. Yes, I can use the single username that I created with my account, but because in Windows 8 you can tie in your username with your live account, well, that's exactly what I'm going to do, and I'm going to show you. So we're going to go ahead and select Connect, and now instantly we're asked to log into the account Lance. But we're going to go ahead and use the other account. So we're going to go ahead and type in my Hotmail account, which I rarely use, but nonetheless, I have it for testing. So I'll go ahead and type in my password here. Right? So now we'll go ahead and select OK. And as you see, it did accept it, and it wants me to go ahead and accept the certificate. And, you know, it may or may not have a problem, blah, blah, blah. And I'm not going to say the certificate, but you can. But I never know what tutorial I might need to make, so I'm going to go ahead and just say, yes, connect despite the certificate errors. So, give it a second. It's configuring, and we're in. As you see, we've now connected remotely using our live account, or Hotmail, whatever you want to call it. So, we're now in my Windows 8 machine, which is exciting. So, as you see, I have the system properties open, right? And it gives you the remote desktop option. So we'll just go ahead and close this and pretend, oh, we're in our control panel. What on earth do we do? But some people don't even know how to get to that control panel, right? So we'll go ahead and close that. So here, if you push on the Metro screen, boom, you're here at the this window, right? So what are we going to do? We're going to go ahead and push on the little icon here, which is your libraries, or takes you there instantly, rather. We're going to go ahead and select this little arrow. Looks like a play button. We're going to go forth and select Control Panel. So now that we're in the Control Panel here, what are we going to go to? Well, I'll tell you. Go to System and Security. Right. Now, we want to look real closely. Where do we want to go? System, right? System, and what do you know? Allow remote access. So we'll go ahead and select that by left clicking it, and voila! Now we're in the allow remote assistance connections to this computer. So what will we be doing now? Well, we want to allow connections from computers running any version of remote desktop less secure. Yes, I understand that. However, we want to do this only simply because, well, my computer is not equivalent to the edition that's running on there. Otherwise, obviously, you want the more secure option. But in this case, we're just going to allow that. And remember, allow remote assistant connections to the computer, because if that's not enabled, you know what happens? Uh-oh. And that's not good. And that's, you know, again, for the invitations and what have you, which is a good thing to do, you know, for troubleshooting, have friends, family, whatever. So anyways, we'll go ahead and press OK, which we have it enabled, and we have our other features here, but that has nothing to do with today's episode. Today's episode was to show you how to connect your Windows 8 tablet, or just Windows 8 in general, and basically we've done that. We've accomplished it. Very exciting, and nonetheless, we've remotely connected to the computer using our live account, and I've showed you how to enable that on your computer and how to remotely connect via your Windows desktop. So, thank you so much for watching the TechMe Show. We look forward to having you next time.